Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to connect your Shopify store to Google Search Console in 2025. This will help your site get indexed faster and track how it performs in Google Search. Let's get started. First of all, go to search.google.com slash search console, then hit enter and sign in with your Google account. Once you are in, click add a property like domain or URL prefix. Select one. We will choose URL prefix. Enter your full Shopify store URL like that. Then copy from Shopify and paste here, and add HTTPS and click continue. Now Google will ask you to verify that you own the site. Click the HTML tag and choose the destination and click save. Copy the meta tag that looks like meta name equal to Google site verification content your code here. Now head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, click online store from here, then click on themes button, then click edit code from here. In the layout folder, click theme liquid, paste the meta tag right below the head like here. Go back to the search console and click verify. If everything is correct, you will see a success message. That's it. You are now connected to Google Search Console. Now you can track what keywords people use to find your store, which pages get the most clicks, and fix indexing or mobile usability issues. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.